Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on geometric sequence. Definition of geometric sequence. A sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN and so on is called a geometric sequence if there exists a non-zero constant or called the common ratio such that an divided by an minus 1 is equal to r for n greater than 1. That is, a2 divided by a1 is equal to r, a3 divided by a2 is equal to r, a4 divided by a3 is equal to r. We call common ratio. Then the sequence is called geometric sequence. Geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of a geometric sequence. The sum of n terms of a geometric sequence is Sn is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on so plus an. Now some results on geometric sequence. The common ratio of a geometric sequence is r is equal to an divided by an minus 1 for every n greater than 1. The nth term of a geometric sequence is an is equal to a1 r power n minus 1 for every n greater than 1. In this, a1 is first term of the geometric sequence, r is common ratio. Then we can find nth term of the geometric sequence. The sum of first n terms of a geometric sequence is Sn is equal to a1 minus a1 r power n divided by 1 minus r, where r is not equal to 1. This is first form. In this, a1 is first term of the geometric sequence, r is common ratio. If we know these two values, we can find sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence. Sum of first n terms of a geometric sequence is Sn is equal to a1 minus r multiply an divided by 1 minus r, where r is not equal to 1. In this, a1, an are first and nth terms of a geometric sequence and r is a common ratio. This is second form to find the sum of first n terms of a geometric sequence. Now I will explain some examples on geometric sequence. Example 1. Write down the fifth term and the nth term of the geometric sequence 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 6, 1 divided by 18 and so on. In this given geometric sequence, first term a1 is equal to 1 divided by 2, second term a2 is 1 divided by 6, third term a3 is 1 divided by 18. First we can find the common ratio r. a2 divided by a1. This is equal to 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 2. From this 1 by 6 multiply, this becomes 2 by 1. 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 3, 6. So 1 divided by 3. And a3 divided by a2. 1 divided by 18 divided by 1 divided by 6. which will also gives common ratio 1 by 3. In this given sequence, the common ratio is same, therefore the sequence is geometric sequence. The nth term of a geometric sequence is an is equal to a1 r power n minus 1. That implies an is equal to first term of the geometric sequence 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiply common ratio r 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. This is nth term of the geometric sequence. In the problem, we have to find fifth term of the geometric sequence. So, substitute n equal to 5. N equal to 5, then it becomes a5 is equals to 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 whole power 5 minus 1. So, 5 minus 1, 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 to the power of 4 becomes 1 divided by 81. That is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiply 81, 162. This is the fifth term of the given geometric sequence. Example 2. If the first and 10th terms of a geometric sequence are 1 and 4 respectively, find the 17th term to 3 decimal places. Solution. Let n equal to 10. The first term a1 is equal to 1 and the 10th term in the given geometric sequence a10 is 4. The nth term of a geometric sequence is an is equal to a1 r power n minus 1. Putting n equal to 10, a10 is equal to a1 r power 10 minus 1. A10 value is given 4 is equal to first term of the geometric sequence a1 is 1. 1 multiply r power n. We need only r. R is equal to 4 to the power of 1 by 9. This is a common ratio. Now we know the common ratio. We know the first term in the geometric sequence. We can find any term in the geometric sequence. The 17th term of a geometric sequence, substitute n equal to 17. A17 is equal to a1 r power 17 minus 1. That is equal to a1 value 1, common ratio 4 power 1 by 9 whole power 16. This value is 4 power 16 by 9. After simplification, we will get 11.758. This is 17th term of the given geometric sequence. The answer corrected to 3 decimal places. Example 3. Let a1, a2, a3 and so on an be a geometric sequence if first term a1 is equal to 3 and the 7th term a7 2187, then find S7. That means the sum of the first 7 terms of a geometric sequence. That is n equal to 7, a1 equal to 3, a7 2187. To find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence, we need first term of the geometric sequence and common ratio. In the problem, first term of a geometric sequence is given. Now we can find common ratio by using the nth term of a geometric sequence. An is equal to a1 multiply r power n minus 1. Put n equal to 7. A7 is equal to a1 r power 7 minus 1. Given A7 value 2187 is equal to A1 value 3 multiply r power 7 minus 1 6. We need common ratio r. R power 6 is equal to 2187 divided by 3. R is equal to 2187 divided by 3 whole power 1 by 6. This value becomes 729 whole power 1 by 6. From this, the common ratio r is equal to 3. Now we know common ratio, we know the first term, then we can find the sum of n terms of a geometric sequence is Sn is equal to a1 minus a1 r power n divided by 1 minus r. Put n equal to 7, S7 is equal to a1 minus a1 multiply r power n divided by 1 minus r. What is the first term? A1, 3. So 3 minus 3 multiply, common ratio is also 3, 3 power 7 divided by 1 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 power 7 multiply 3, 3 power 8. That value 6561. So 3 minus 6561 becomes minus 6558 divided by minus 2. After simplification, we will get 3279. This is the first sum of the first 7 terms of the given geometric sequence. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to geometric sequence. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First question, write down the fifth term and the nth term of the geometric sequence minus 50, 10, minus 2, 2 by 5 and so on. Second question, let A1, A2, A3 and so on an be a geometric sequence. Find the indicated quantities. A question, A1 is equal to 625, A6 is equal to minus 35 divided by 5. Find A2, that means second term. A3 means third term of the given geometric sequence. B question, A1 is equal to 20, that means first term of the geometric sequence. Common ratio R is equal to 12. Find S12, that means the sum of the first 12 terms of the geometric sequence, that is S12.